this is a complaint of shifts from 3 to neutral. What happened here is tech in the shop, I mean, when he experienced this, he started looking around for anything that the scanner could tell him that might be wrong, which could result in this situation. And finding nothing, they finally decided to pull a transmission, take a look at things. They figured maybe the 2.6 solenoid is a problem with the 2.6 piston. They checked that to see if it delaminated, something of that nature. Nothing of that nature was found. However, when they finally did get to the valve body, they realized that there's a problem with the filter plate. This is that little filter plate that comes in the kit, sits between the cover and the solenoids, and is the filter for all the solenoid circuits in that valve body. And if you see where the pick is pointing, you can actually see where the gasket is actually blown out right there where the pick is. Now, that's the other side, so it really blew through the screen is what happened here. And this leaked enough oil in the 2.6 circuit to actually make this go 1 neutral is what happened here. So obviously the fix here, of course, would be simply to put the new filter plate in that comes in the kit. As you see here, the area you see in the circle there is the 2.6 feed area, and that was the area that was affected.
Thank you for watching. For all confirmed fix videos and unlimited technical support, become an ATSG member, your transmission tech solution. Click the membership link below.